Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we are going to give you an update on the portfolio at the end of the week. We are going to update these spreadsheets, update the dividend tracker, give you an update on the dividends that have come in so far, and it's just going to be an update. But I love it because, show me the money. And so if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So for the day here, the portfolio closed out at $9,226.05, up a whopping $6.24, up 0.07%. For the 1 week, we're up $20.99, up 0.23%. For the 1 month, we're up $136.98, up 1.51%. For the 3 months, we are up $832.92, up 9.92%. For the 1 year, we're up $1,629.03, up 21.44%. And for the all, we're up $1,856.62 with an all-time high at 25.19%. Not an all-time high, but just all-time. And we did update a position today, so we'll go down, but just to give you an idea of the market, you can see that a lot of these stocks just somehow just shot up. Some are maintaining, and the one that I want to talk about is TELUS, because this is the one we updated. Today it closed out at $29.55, up 18 cents on the day, up 0.61%. We currently have 28 shares. Total value of this position is $827.40. Our average price did go up to $27.53, and it holds now 8.99% of the portfolio. Today's return was $3.36, up 0.41%, and our total return is $56.58, up 7.34%. Now, the purchase that we made today came in at 6 shares. We bought them at $29.65 with a total cost of $177.90 Canadian. So again, that is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T. Okay, and we'll head over to trackyourdividends.com to give you an update here. So the purchase that we made, but before we do that, portfolio last week closed out at $8,979 with a capital appreciation of $1,951. Dividend yield is 3.2% if you build the portfolio the way it stands as of last week. So I'll let you take a look at that. But our yield on cost is 4.09%. Annual income is $287. And the position we want to update is TELUS. So we currently have 22 shares. Previously last week, closed out at $29.55. Appreciation of 18 cents on the day. But our return so far is $57.20. And our average cost per unit was $26.95 last week. We are just 0.4% higher at the yield on cost because we use the strategy of dollar cost averaging. And as you can see, the annual income was $28.81. So we'll go ahead and add a holding here. Default portfolio, ticker symbol is T.TO because we're in Canada. The amount of shares we bought were 6 of those. And we did buy at higher than what it closed out, which is fine because we still use the dollar cost average strategy. Whether the stock price is high or low, we will continue to make those purchases on a weekly basis. So as you can see here now, the portfolio itself. Oh, look at that. A little ad from TELUS itself. Interesting. We'll actually just leave that there. The portfolio from today is closing out at $9,156. This is not including the cash account. And so capital appreciation is now $1,950. Dividend yield, if you build it with the updated position, is 3.22%. And yield on cost is 4.1% for us. We're going to try and hit that benchmark of 5% for myself. And annual income has increased to $295. We are on the cusp of hitting that $300. We actually might hit it. We probably will hit it by the end of the year here, as we only have a couple weeks left and a few days, well, a week left till Christmas. So as you can see here, TELUS Corporation, 28 shares now. And average cost went up to $27.53. Dividend yield as of today was 4.43. We are getting a 4.76% yield, and the annual income has increased to $36.67. If you haven't considered putting TELUS into your portfolio, I would take a look at it, do your due diligence, because they are not just a telecommunication company. The reason I'm going into this position itself and increasing this position, why I even started this position, was because they are the biggest in Canada for telecommunications, but they are also expanding. And when I'm talking about expanding, I mean they are expanding in the healthcare sector, where they do mobile like when the whole sickness came upon us in 2020, TELUS had an initiative to be able to do a call with a doctor on the phone. And I think they are still expanding on that. They do have a security system as well. And they are just updating their book because they know, well, their portfolio of business, because they know that they need to expand because they can't just rely on telecommunications. So that is the position we bought today. The spreadsheet, which I'll pop up here, is updated now. We did receive a dividend so far this month at $5.23, which brings our total for 2021 to $186.24, with a total year-over-year growth of 972% in dividends, using, of course, $17.37 as the baseline last year. Net deposits this year is $5,507.69. And that is the thanks to also the referral links that everyone keeps using. I do appreciate it. And that includes that total as well. So if you haven't already, go claim your free stock down below once you fund your Wealthsimple Trade account, because there are some exciting changes coming for those that maybe didn't consider Wealthsimple Trade. They are coming out with a US account. Total invested since starting this portfolio is $7,377.69. And of course, that is including the referral link down below. The market value today closed out at $9,226.05. And our performance this year is 12.21%. As long as we get that over 10% for the year, I am happy. And I will probably start adding the index fund inside this portfolio next year. And as we know, the one I prefer is VFV. There was another one that someone wanted me to review. And I do believe that one that they were talking about is the top 100 in the S&P, but I will take a look into it and I'll probably do a little review on that, because the one we are doing is the top 500. As for the markets, I think we're in the last 2 weeks here. Next week will be the last 2 weeks of December, and we will hopefully see a Santa rally to come with this new thing happening in the world and more restrictions in Canada. Well, in some provinces. We haven't seen a huge dip with any fear or anything. I think people have gotten used to it. What happens to the market in that aspect of things. And we did receive a dividend. So I'm pretty excited about that, because this is the last month we've finally been able to fill out the spreadsheet that we made. And every time I get a dividend, I don't know if you guys ever watch LOL Tyler 1, but you know when he does the shaking thing? This is a guy who plays League of Legends, so he's just like, oh yeah, that's how I feel when I get a dividend. I don't know, go look him up. It's funny. Yes, I watch people play video games at times when I have time. And other than that, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So if you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like. Not leave a comment, but leave a like. Just go and just hit that like button, turn it blue, turn it black, depending on your settings. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to keep posted on all this stuff when we're building a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes by putting $100 in a tax-free savings account. But other than that, have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.